Visiting Sikkim via railway will now be easy for tourists. The Sivok-Rangpo railway project connecting West Bengal to Sikkim is in full swing. Once completed, this journey will promise a breathtaking experience as it travels through the picturesque mountain terrains and forest reserves. Sikkim is all set to get its first rail link with the rest of the country. The nearly 45-kilometer-long Sivok-Rangpo rail project, considered to be an engineering marvel, aims to connect Sivo railway station in Darjeeling, West Bengal to Rangpo in East Sikkim with a single broad-gauge line. The 45-kilometer-long route from Sivok to Rangpo will have 5 stations, 14 tunnels and 17 bridges. Sivok is an existing station on New Jalpaiguri-Alipurduar-Guwahati railway line of Northeast Frontier Railway, and Rangpo is a border town of Sikkim.
The project, once commissioned, will bring a lot of changes to Sikkim. It will be a cause of socio-economic development of the region, and at the same time the project is also very important strategically for movement of our defense forces, and we hope that once the project is commissioned, the area will develop.
The railway project by Indian Railway Construction Company International Limited is expected to be completed by 2022. The Sikkim rail link will bring the long left outstate under the ambit of the country-wide railway networks. The Sivok to Rangpo has a single road that remains affected during the monsoon season. Inclement weather and landslides makes travel tough and time-consuming.
आउट ऑफ 14 टनल में 12 टनल में काम चल रहा है और उसमें फुल फ्लेश काम चल रहा है. जिस तरह से काम पिकअप कर लिया था, मगर ये कोविड के चलते हुए और ये बार जो बारिश हुई है ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 20% ज़्यादा हुआ, उसके वजह से बहुत सेटबैक हो गया है. तो अभी आशा करते हैं कि अक्टूबर सितंबर एंड ऑफ द सितंबर अक्टूबर के बाद में हम लोग फिर फुल फ्लेश काम करेंगे. टूरिज्म के लिए तो बूम होगा हमारा पब्लिक के लिए, और एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन भी बहुत जनरेट होने जा रहा है इसमें.
Sikkim shares a border with China. With the enhancement of rail connectivity in the region, the Indian soldiers will get easy access to travel to the Nathula border. 41.55 km of the railway line falls in West Bengal and the rest in Sikkim. The project by Northeast Frontier Railway is expected to cost around 4,085 crore rupees.
रेलवे आ रहा है तो जैसे कि जो टनल बन के जा रहा है रेलवे का, तो हम लोग का लोकल को बहुत फायदा है. इसमें क्या है कि टूरिज़्म बढ़ सकता है और अपना जो है यहाँ का लोकल का C ग्रेड D ग्रेड का नौकरी भी मिल सकता है, और दूसरा चीज़ तो है यहाँ का डिफेंस के लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा.
Sikkim boasts great tourism potential and many people avoid visiting it because of poor connectivity. With the new railway line, the tourism sector in Sikkim will get a boost.